The intro is 2 sets of 8. We will show you a demonstration to start. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we start with this dance on the back half of the dance floor. The leader is going to be on the left side and the follower is going to be on the right side. When the first beat of the music comes in, the leader is going to offer in their right hand and the follower is going to accept with the left hand. So that's about on counts 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to walk towards the middle of the floor. And then on the second set of 8, we're going to come into one another and sway 5, 6, 7, 8. So that sway happens first on the leader's left leg and the follower's right leg. We sway towards the front of the dance floor and then towards the back of the dance floor. Now this intro is customizable depending on the size of your floor or where you're coming in the order of your reception. So you can come in on opposite sides of the floor, you could come in from the front of the floor. Either way, you just want to be in your dance frame by counts 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go ahead and move into pattern 1. Pattern 1 is 5 sets of 8. We will show you a demonstration to start. And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we start off pattern 1 with a slow dance basic.